So I'm going to show you a trick on how to do the parallelogram law because I have trouble drawing these things. So here's problem 2.2 in the textbook. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a sheet of paper on top of that. I'll trace the x and y axes. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace the force that we don't know the length of it, F, and then I'm going to extend that to indicate the line of action of that force. And then what I'll do is I'll trace my 700 Newton force. And I'm not going to worry about the fact that it's 15 degrees from the axis because I want to clutter my drawing. And to make the parallelogram rule, what I want to do is translate this vector so that its tail is going to line somewhere on this line of action of F, and the head of that vector needs to fall on the y-axis somewhere along there. So I'll just move my sheet of paper and kind of line that up to the point where those two things intersect. And it may be difficult to see in the video, but when I trace it, you should see, here's my 700 Newton vector. And then if I go and move the head of my 700 Newton vector back to the origin, I can trace the line of action of my vector F, and there's my parallelogram.